Haya basi, namba 1 bimeze biti ku gasobanuye films.com. SP Media Group tutangiriye hakunino, dutangiriye Moscow mu Burusiya. Urebe witonze filime yacu. Kwa Vladimir Federal Security Service FSB. Ibi ni ibiro bikuru ukumva CIA. FSB nayo ni ibiro by'ubutasi by'igihugu cy'u Burusiya. Urebe bakwereka kuhinjira baragusaka, kandi hinjira hanini abahakora gusa ariko baragusaka. Urebe filime binjiramo barabasaka, dore uburyo babakurebamo utambuka bakureba. FSB ibi ni ibiro bihambaye cyane by'ubutasi buri mu Rusiya, afite ikintu bita ubutasi. Kera byahoze byitwa KGB, pani mwiririmba ibyo ba Putin bakuriyemo. Barakwereka ukoropa yo yaje hano n'ukoropa muri FSB. Turi mu Burusiya, aza hano mu kibox atwaramo imyanda. Kingura hano harimo umwana w'umukobwa ukiri muto, turashize.
Деньги давай.
In English, please.
Icyongereza.
It is time for the money.
Igiye ngo ugishyura amafaranga twavuganye. Rebe amuha amafaranga ye. Rebe arayabara muha amadolari. Kuki ugishyuye mu madolari? Tu Umunyamerika. Wumvaga ndi buguye mu Manyarwanda?
Rubles don't exactly go a long way these days.
Cyane ko amarubozi n'ubundi ari kugenda agwa buri munsi, ari gukubita agatuza muri kaburimbo. Umva kumucyurira ati n'ubundi amarubozi bashaka ko mwishyura ngo n'amafaranga yo mu Burusiya n'ubundi ngo yaramanutse cyane. Umunyamerika bagomba gukina filime akahita nasebanyamo gake. Urumva ahita caho. Uyu nakomeza gahunda ze. Ufite iminota 5. Nyuma y'iminota 5 nta kintu nagusezeranye. Bura ibigiye kubera hano n'amarorerwa. Umwana w'umukobwa yinjiye mu kigo cy'abandi FSB, ikigo cy'abatazi kibamo abantu batojwe. Umwana w'umukobwa n'Umunyamerika, umukobwa muto cyane, yinjiye mu kigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. Rebe filime zakurino, ariko yaciye kwa Yohana Umubaji. Cyayicara mu ikarito ya gome, ari ukuntu yicara ngo mu ikarito ya gome ikahita ihanagura agatafari. Oyo nawe ushobora kuba kera ku ishuri ngo mwarimu yaramuhaye igihano cyo kwicara mu ikarito ya gome do, yaramuhanaguye neza inyuma. Urebe araza comekano. Rebe filime witonze. Urebe Gerard abamamagara mbaza iki koko.
Come on.
Ngiye Gerard mbona ari nawe utuma filime zidasohoka. Ntangira gukora call. Urebe yabonye yanditse ngo internship program. Ni programme y'abastajeri. Ko babita abastajeri. Abari hafungura kuramo amadosiye mu kigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. Yibyemo amadosiye kureba harimo amazina agiye anyujijemo umurongo w'umutuku. Turi mu kigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. Umwana areba amafoto agiye arimo hano, arayakuramo yose ayo madosiye, asubizamo dosiye yabo irimo ubusa. Umwana yaje hano. Fire! Mama we!
For not leaving a trace.
Ntagomba gusigaza ikimenyetso inyuma. Umwana yita soka yo gace gace. Umwana w'umukobwa soka mu kigo cy'abatasi cy'Abarusiya yifunze gutyo. Rebe filime gace gace ukabonye na kamera y'ikasa ndefo. Nta nubwo kaza umuhu. Fire! Fire! Umwana w'umukobwa ubona akagira ngo nakana ko mu rugo we. Rumurashi ubwicanyi. Fire! Yinjiranye Abarusiya. Fire! Fire! Gakobwa gato kakana. Rebe turi mu kigo cy'ubutasi. Fire! Fite udukori dukoryo. Fire! Abarusiya baje. Dore isasu. Fire! Masasu. Turi muri FSB. Mwana simbana ukabonye wagira ngo nakana ko mu rugo bari batumye nko guhaha, kumbe ni karashika. Chum Nyamerika ku Barusiya. Fire! Pima mu jisho gusa iki gikobwa. Abarusiya baramuzengurukana umunyamerikakazi w'umwana mama we kabonye wagira ngo nakana k'agakobwa mu rugo bari batumye amata kumbe nakicanye kana gato cyane babwira ngo mwirinde amaninja kayita kavayo gake gake kudutangiye filime yacu barakwereka ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'abarusiya kiba giyambaye cyane umwana w'umukobwa yagisohotsemo yemye gake gake naguhubagurika burya gendamo imbunda zishyira leta zirika imisatsi kansubire guhaha mami yarantumye guhaha wakibeshyaho turi mu Burusiya rebe filime ni ku gasobanuro films.com narakubwiye ngo izi filime abantu mutagura bone mu uyu mwaka 2026 n'umwaka wagasobanuye zanahita aterura igikapu kirimo hano ahita yimanukira feri ya mbere afata indege yerekere ibi filime yafashe indege yerekera ahitwa muri Bulgaria umurwa mukuru bawita Sofia Bulgaria umukobwa ya Jano gake gake ukomanye wagira ngo nakana
My fellow interns.
ku bandi bastajeri bagenzi banjye umukobwa yatangiye kuvuga n'uyu nguyu ati ku bastajeri bagenzi banjye my fellow interns
I consider you all family.
nubwo tutarahura ariko bafata nka famiye.
If you're getting this email, you, like me,
niba mubonye ino email mbahaye kimwe namwe mumeze nkanjye
were raised by the internship.
twese twakuriye mu cyari cyiswe ngo ni internship icyo cyatureze ni porogaramu yitwaga internship yabareze.
My code name is Catalyst.
izina bagise ni Catalyst. Code name code name yanjye ni Rambo.
Know the following.
muri kano kanya
You are not alone.
mumenye ko mutari mwenyine.
I don't know how many there are of us.
sinzi ngo hari bangahe nkatwe
We have a program called the internship,
ariko twese twitorejwe badutoreza muri porogaramu yari yariswe ngo ni internship.
and we were left to rot when the program went down in flames with our family.
ubwo iyo porogaramu yangirikaga bitewe n'uwari warayishinze yitwaga Henry Byrne.
We were taken from our
twese
mothers as children,
twahise tuburirwa irengero, twambuye ba papa wacu, twamburwa ba mama wacu tukiri abana,
tortured,
turatotezwa. turi uburyo babarezemo iyo porogaramu yitwa ngo stage, babareze babakubita.
to be better for them. But we're more than just killing machines.
baradukoze ariko ntago turi abantu gusa, baradukoze tuba nk'imashini zica,
Especially if we work together.
cyane cyane dushyize hamwe twaba imashini zica. tuve hariya tugaruke mu nzu ndangamurage muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika iri New York. hari uriya ubu nimbabwira ko nayigezemo muravuga ngo nabwo ndi gukabiriza ibintu. hari uwitabye telefone, code name ye ni Analyst.
We all come from different backgrounds.
twese dukomoka mu miryango itandukanye, dufite ubumenyi butandukanye. tugaruke New Jersey,
We're forced to see in the dark,
bamwe muri twe twatojwe kurebera mu mwijima
blinded, and
ku buryo babuze gato ngo tube impumyi.
could see things that others could not.
twatojwe kubona ibintu abandi batabona. uyu nguyu bamwita gute? Apothecary. ni code name yiwe. undi batweretse ku rundi ruhande nawe wakiriye email. tubyara tugaruke Detroit, Michigan.
Push past our limits to be
abenshi muri twe twaratojwe twemera uburibwe buhambaye kubwakira.
fight even if we were shot or stabbed.
tutozwa kurwana niyo twaba twarashwe, twaba twajombaguye ibyuma, ariko tugatozwa gukomeza kurwana. uyu bamwita Caliber, niyo code name yiwe muri filime.
Others were trained in sensory deprivation
abenshi tugaruke mu Bwongereza
and freezing cold,
twatojwe kuba twaba mu bukonje cyangwa mu bushyuhe buteye ubwoba umubiri w'umuntu utakihangana ariko tukabaho.
oxygen for
twatojwe kumara munsi y'amazi iminota irenga 10. code name y'uyu ninde? Rubicon. hano hari mu Bwongereza i Londres, kanda kariya nawe yakiriye email. Rebe ufunguye imashini yabonye email.
I'm reaching out over a matter of life or death.
impamvu mbahamagaye nuko ari ikibazo kijyanye n'urupfu cyangwa ubuzima. bose n'abana bakiri bato bajene. kure y'ikarita hano manze na nishyure abanza ari.
Found a secure location for
nafumbuye ahantu hatekanye twajya kuba turi.
our next move.
muze tuhahurire dupange ikindi turi bukurikizeho dukora. yarahabuherereje abari muri New York bahita batanga amakarita, turabizi ngenda giye, turabizi bye.
You're in charge.
ubu niwe uyoboye hano. Rebe
So memorize the information it contains.
amakuru yose mbahe muyafate mu mutwe. turi twenyine baturiho. yarabandikiye ngo baturiho, ni nko kuvuga ngo bari kutugendaho. Abandi bafunga amaduka yabo, babonye email ivuga ngo bari kubagenda.
I'm hoping you'll join me.
Ndizera ko muri buze kunsanga hondi.
We have left.
Kuko nimwe famiye nsigaranye. Umve, bana bashyiramo za magazine hano.
So much stronger together than we
Iyo
are.
turi kumwe tuba dukomeye kurusha dutandukanye. Rebe.
One more thing.
Ikindi kintu nibagiye kubabwira.
Choose not to come here.
Nudahitamo kuza kundeba.
Wherever you are.
Aho uri hose,
Fuck out.
havuhunge. Havuhunge.
They're coming for you.
Kuko batuziye. Do! Uyu koka kiva ku modoka yarari imodoka yaraturitse. Umwe uvuye ku modoka ugiye gushyiraho ifege ngunywe, imodoka bakayita bayituritse. Ese abona ko ya email babandikiye ko ibyivuga ari byo. Ati nimba udashaka no guhura nanjye, uhunga kuko batuziye. Abarerewe muri programu yitwaga ngo ni stage batuziye. Nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Nakubwiye ngo turacyari kuri ya website nimwe gusa rukumbi. Bayita gasobanuye films.com. Usanga umuntu turangoroke ngo ndagufana ngo filime nzirebera ngo kuri website yawe. Bamubaza shaka kumva rebera ku bintu bitabo. Website nimwe. Kibazo ni mwumva jya muri Google wandikemo agasobanuye films.com. Rebe yaje akuri no. Agarara hano kuri etage. Katorore. Twigarukire mu Bufaransa. Turacyari mu Burayi. Hano bahita Paris ku munara. Kuri Karuwaje turi Paris mu Bufaransa. Umwana w'umukobwa uriyo utambutse gutya waturutse imbere ye. Nawe twamubonye muri babandi babana biswe ngo naba stagiaire. Do! Rebye inyuma ye runduriyo. Ibigabo bireba gutyo by'ibiribwe. Ibigabo byababaye. Umwana arahindukira. Do! Rubanza ariyambura. Bamwise code name ye ni Daga. Icyuma code name ye ni Bugita. Arababara. Icyuma. Robe. Batarara si icyuma. Kobwa muto. Chumina. Rekuri icyuma kikihuta kurusha isasu. Do. Robe. Baga. Bangutse. Do. Jejeje. Icyuma. Kobwa rekuri icyuma. Robe. Hari uwagisamye. Ni mugenzi we. Yaragisamye sha.
Same team, love.
Turi mu ikipe imwe love.
Are you?
Urinde?
I'm with Catalyst.
Banyita Catalyst. Do! Tabanzara na mutabara turi mu ikipe imwe.
We should probably go.
Dufite kugenda. N'abana bato bose bambuwe ababyeyi babona ba mama babajyana kubarera muri porogaramu yabatoje kuba imashini zica. Urebe. Do ni imashini zica zigenda. Jewe ngende imashini isobanura. Mpamvu mudakwiye kungiranya n'ababana. Hano mujya mukora amakosa ariko nimba munguruhera umujyi undi ribu yagiye bafatika bapima. Usiko nje mbona mufata izina rya Kimomo mukajya nk'ahantu mukandika ngari Kimomo ngo nabarunaka. Ibaze. Buri gihe mbabwira ko abanzi batangereranye. Abamenye batancudikanyaho. Urebe. Azana. Muragereranye indege nisho. Indege na Cotex. Tuvera tugaruke yakorino. Barakwereka kuri FSB hamwe twatangiriye umukobwa ari kwica abakozi b'ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. Wahaje. Abarusiya bateranye. Bari gufotora imirambo yabo.
We would never do this.
Bino bintu ntabwo twigeze tubikora.
Not to children.
Ku bana bacu babiri.
Self, whatever lie,
Wibwira ibinyoma byose ushaka.
comfortable agent.
Biri butume wumva utekanye.
Go.
Agent Korikochevo.
Don't have the internship.
Ariko impamvu tutagifite icyitwa stage
Was our attempt
nuko twabigerageje bigapfa.
Are you being serious?
Kuko urakomeje. Ni seri.
is serious.
Cyiteka mura ndi seri.
Our poor interns, they lost their minds.
Twateragereje gukora porogaramu yari yiswe stage. Abastageri bacu kari bane babura ubwenge batakaza ubwenge kuko yari porogaramu ifata ibana ikabagira mashini yica. Hari igihe rero umuntu mutoza akabura ubwenge. Abana bane bacu twari twafashe twabagize abastageri ngo batakaje ubwenge.
And killed themselves.
Baricana.
And killed their handlers.
Ndetse bicana babayoboraga.
We had to eradicate
Iyo porogaramu twahise tuyihagarika.
crops of trade.
Ndetse abo twari twaratoje bose turabiyicira.
Went wrong.
byapfiriye he
The program is destroyed.
porogaramu yacu nk'abarusiya ya stage imaze guhagarara
We copied every detail.
detaye zose twazanditsemo hano
The handwritten notes
harimo n'umukono nyirizina
from himself.
Brian
She knows
nyirizina
we were.
Counting around,
wica mu ijambo
Konchenko.
agent Konchenko Korchovenko
we did,
ibyo twakoze byose
could not get it right.
ntabwo byagenze neza
And where we felt the Americans
aho twananiriwe abanyamerika bo barahagurutse barabikora ibyari byatunaniye bivuze ngo abarusiya nabo bakoze wa mushinga niyo mpamvu mafashemo agapoze wo gufata abana bakiri batonya bakabatoza ngo bagire imashini zica abana birangira bicanye porogaramu yabo irapfa ni porogaramu yari yiswe stage ariko ngo umushinga abarusiya ubananiye abanyamerika bo bahise bawubyutsa barawukora nabo bafata utwana duto badukoremo imashini zica
succeeded.
abanyamerika bo barabishoboye
Consequently,
ingaruka rero zakurikiye
program has been active.
iyo porogaramu yongeye itangiye gukora nonaha
And my job
akazi kanjye
We cannot
akazi kawe rero karagira kati
program.
nimba twebwe twarakoze abana b'abastajeri porogaramu yacu ikanga
We should
tugomba gukora uko dushoboye nk'abarusiya
that the Americans don't have it either.
n'abanyamerika iyo porogaramu ntibayigire iyo gahunda
and how do I do it?
ndabikora gute rero
Use your imagination.
koresha ibitekerezo byawe
The intern that did
umustajeri
is travel.
waje akica abantu muri kino kigo cyacu cy'ubutasi ari kujya muri New York
Are you sure?
urabizi neza ko ari hari
Right.
And we
Sean.
have an agent
ntaba agent dufite yose
and more.
Well,
Abarenze.
we have our
umva
sources
twe dufite aho dukura amakuru Vlad
for orders.
witwa ngo ni Vlad niwe ukwiye kujya kureba akaguha amabwiriza kujya kureba witwa Vlad muri Amerika New York tugaruke kuri Central Intelligence Agency Langley Virginia aho CIA ikorera nabo bahagurutse bafite ifoto ya wa mwana w'umukobwa umustajeri umugore w'injira
Wanted to see me, sir?
ngo mwashaka umbona nyakubahwa
Come on in.
injira
Dick Jones,
witwa Dick Jones uramuzi
Director of
ni
Operations.
Deputy Director of Operations
Agent Dalton,
Agent Dalton
you have a remarkable reputation.
wa mugore ufite izina ryiza cyane n'ibigwi
I like that.
zo gukemura ibibazo byananiye abandi
It's the reason why I'm about to put you right in the middle of
niyo
one.
mpamvu ngo wamagaye ngo ngushyire mu yindi situation nyine yananiye abandi uyikemure
Tell me, what have you heard about the
tubwire icyitwa internship wacyumvishe iki
The basics.
numvishe ibintu bike by'ibanze
Was started by former director of operations.
ngo iyi ni gahunda ya stage yari yatangijwe n'uwahoze ari director wa operations hano muri CIA
Henry Byrne.
Henry Byrne
The program was used to weaponize children.
yari porogaramu yo gufata abana batonya tukabagira intwaro bya bindi nyine Amerika yirirwa ivuga ngo ibisirikare ngo byo muri Afurika bimwe na bimwe ngo bikoresha abana bataruzuza imyaka CIA yari yaratangiye gahunda yo gufata abana bakiri bato bakabagira intwaro
CIA.
bikozwe na CIA
Byrne went rogue and
kugeza igihe wari waratangije iyo internship ariwe Byrne
was abandoned.
yaje kwigomeka ku gihugu
Ship
abivamo
at Byrne's death
iyo porogaramu irarangira bitewe n'uko wari wayitangije yapfuye
and implemented their own version. They too have.
abarusiya nabo batangije iro porogaramu yabo
Eventually, it was
yabo
abandoned.
ntiyagenze neza
less than 48 hours
mu
ago?
masaha 48 ashize
By the name of Rennie
umwe mu bastajeri bita Ren
James, codename Catalyst,
bakunze kwita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst
showed up at FS.
yagiye ku biro bya FSB muri Moscow
After an absolute shit show
nyuma yo kwica abantu bari bariyo
of sensitive information
Catalyst yibye amakuru afatika
to the location of the remaining interns.
What kind of leads?
yakuyeyo amakuru ashobora kumugeza mu bandi bastajeri bandi
The things,
ijyari ni
dark web email addresses.
yabandikiye kuri email twe tudashobora kuba twakwakisesinga
Obviously,
And what happened?
byagenze bite
we never received a single reply.
nta yandi makuru turakira
Went to
abastajeri twe twagerageje kubandikira ntibadusubiza
Dark after Burns' death.
nyuma y'uko umuyobozi wabo apfuye abastajeri bose baburiwe irengero
In the cold.
CIA irababura kandi ariyo yari yaratangije iyo operasiyo
Nobody's heard from them in all of these years.
hashize imyaka nta muntu uzi abastajeri aho bari niba abana bato twabonye
CIA psychiatrists have examined
psychiatrist wa CIA yatubwiye ko uyu mukobwa akurikije ukuntu amureba
build a substitute family.
ashobora kuba ari guhuza bari abana bose bakuranye nawe mu cyitwa internship kugira ngo abahuze bamubere famiye atigeze agira
You mean the one that was stolen from?
oya cyangwa uravuga ahubwo famiye mwamwibye kuko ntabwo ari famiye atigeze agira ahubwo famiye mwamwambuye
Nobody likes what was done to these children.
twese ntabwo twishimiye ibyakorewe aba
Without
bana
any control. We have
bano bana bari ku muhanda nta kuntu torori bafite
to shut them down.
tugomba kubahagarika burundu
Ask why you want me for the...
none se ngiye mumpamagariye iki
There are better people suited for
hari
this.
abandi bagakoze kano kazi batari
The
njye
others with more experience.
hari ibindi byinshi dukeneye ku muntu ufite experience nk'iyawe
This job, agent.
niwe muntu ufite ubumenyi bwakora aka kazi
Things you need to know.
hari ibindi bintu birukwiye kumenya icya mbere
We believe there's a Russian mole, codenamed Phantom.
turakeka ko ari umugambanyi wo mu Rusiya witwa codename yitwa ngo ni Phantom
Second,
cya kabiri
Renee James,
Rene James uriya mwana w'umukobwa wabonye
codename Catalyst,
wiyita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst
is your daughter.
ni umukobwa wawe wibyariye mama we urebe umukobwa wanjye uyu ni umugore ukorera CIA umwana we nawe bamushyize muri ya porogaramu ya internship tugaruka yitwa Peterson muri New Jersey ubundi New Jersey iri muri New York niho turi ukibaza ngo nabimenye nte narahageze bayita kiburi ya ndege ukomeza ukanga abantu ngo wagiye ahantu nabyo ntago bitwika bayita kiburi ya ndege yakurikiwe urebe filime ugeze hano wamukurikiye baramugonga uyavayo
Come with me if
ngwino
you
tujyane
live.
nimba ushaka kubaho
Seriously?
koko
I always wanted to say that.
nahoraga iteka nifuza kuzavuga iryo jambo ngwino tujyane nimba wifuza kubaho ubwo n'abantu barebye filime yitwa Terminator Schwarzenegger nikabwira kakaraje kugatwara ati noze iteka nifuza iryo jambo kuzaribwira umuntu nanjye ngo ntwike injira tugende babandi byose babimenya bati binjira mu modoka berekere Marikano binjira hano bihuse cyane bahindura imodoka rebe Washington DC ubundi ni muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika Aruriyo ari kwitekera hano ubutunga ngegera wa mugore wa CIA twabonye yaje kureba uno mugabo Hello
Hey.
Bite
Oh.
we
Nelson.
Janice
Hi.
baraziranye
Hi.
bite
What brings you around here?
niki kuzanye hano
I'm hungry and I heard you make a mean burger.
Yeah, I do.
nenje kumva kukora agapolizo numva kamera ntaribi
It's not right about this picture.
ariko iyi shusho hari ikintu kidasa neza uburyo uri guteka
This?
kuba ndi guteka ntibisa
You
neza
know my story.
urabizi inkuru yanjye
Fired.
narirukanwe
No hearing.
nta kuburana
Pension.
nta pansiyo
No. Thank you for your service, Nelson.
bangirukanye muri CIA barambwira gusa ngo warakoze kubwo kuba warakoreye igihugu cyawe by Nelson
That's what happens when you knock your boss on his
niko bigenda ariko iyo ukubise boss wawe bakwirukana nta n'imperekeza yakubise boss y'igipfunsi baramwirukana ni Nelson yahoze akora CIA
That's because Dick Jones is an asshole.
no kubera ko Dick Jones ari ikigori cyane mpamvu
Did
namukubise
you really picture yourself flipping burgers on a
wigeze wifotora se uri guteka
Probably not.
baga mu modoka
know what?
Ibaze, buri muntu ujya gukora muri CIA bafite ubumenyi buhambaye shaba ari umuntu urenze uhambaye ariko iyo bakwirukanye nyine bakora uko bashoboye ntugire n'ahandi ubona akazi ubwo uhita ujya guteka baga ku muhanda
Therapeutic.
ya Jano
Hungry?
urashonje we kamwe wumva ibyo neka se
alley.
sawa
I'm telling you.
ndakwiyungaho bari umuntu ufite ubumenyi bwinshi ku buryo atakaba yateka ku muhanda aba yarize neza afite ubwenge afite ubumenyi afite amakuru
Now.
yaje kwicara hano nawe urabyumva CIA igiye kurokirita nyine
Something wrong with that picture?
kuba narindi hariya se bitwaye ikimbwira
You ever think you could have handled it differently?
wigeze utekereza ko kubita boss yari kubikemura mu bundi buryo yego
And I remember how much of an asshole Dick Jones is and know that I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
jemba numva boss wanjye kubera ukuntu ari ikigoryi n'ubu bungi bakansubiza mu kazi namukubita
Can't be bought.
shamenya utagurwa pe ni umugabo mbega udaca ku ruhande
It's a good burger.
I know.
iyi baga iraryoshye ndabizi
Keep eating.
komeza urye komeza urye
I need someone I can trust.
nyine umuntu nakwizera
Whoa.
oh
Sounds ominous.
It is. And I'm not really sure I can trust anybody in this world.
sinzi ko hari undi muntu nakwizera muri iyi si utari wowe
But somehow I trust you.
ariko weho mu buryo bumwe ndakwizeye
Right?
okay
And there's something I didn't tell you.
hari ikintu ntigeze nkubwira kera ni igiki utambwira
17,
mfite imyaka 17
way before you and me.
mbere yuko nkundana nawe tumenyana nari naratwite
And I wasn't ready to be.
banteye inda niteguye kuba umubyeyi umwana ndamutanga baramwadubuta muri oruferina nyuma nza guhura nawe turamenyana turakundana imyaka y'17 bano bagore mumenyana mujye mukurikirana amakuru.
And I just found out who...
Ubu rero naje kumenya umukobwa wanjye nindi aramumwereka. Wa mukobwa twabonye w'umwicanyi yabyaye indwanyi.
And I need your help
Nkeneye ubufasha bwawe
before the Russians do.
umenye umukobwa wanjye ahantu hari abarusiya bataramugeraho. Fasha mubona abarusiya bataramugeraho. Turebe tugaruke New York. Nito Odessa muri Brooklyn. Nari ngiye kugarura kiburiya ndege, kuyigarura kiburiya ndege ariko reka nceceke. Urebe haruriyo ni wa murusiya. Bino nugukabya rwose pe. Wa murusiya amaze kugera muri Amerika. Uyu bamwohereje ngo yice bari abana baba stajeri. CIA itazongera ikabakoresha. Nimba umurusiya we gukore abastajeri be byarapfuye n'umunyamerika ntatunga abastajeri. Twese tuburiyo porogaramu kuko umunyamerika iyo hari ikintu agezeho kiri hejuru umurusiya biramubangamira. Baba babarana baterana imibare. Yaje muri misa kigera muri Amerika aza imbere ya padiri. N'umupadiri w'umunyamerika.
Bless me, Father,
Mpumugisha padiri
for I am about to sin.
kubera ko ngiye gukora icyaha. Abandi basaba imbabazi kubera ko bakoze icyaha. Uyu waje gusaba ngo imbabazi kubera ko agiye gukora icyaha.
Then tell me you were
Ntabwo bari bambwiye kuri buze kuza. Kumbuye umupadiri nawe ni maneko w'abarusiya.
finished with the KGB.
Nari nzi ko narangizanyije n'abana maneko z'abarusiya mu cyitwa KGB.
Finished?
Urangiza
You are never finished with this.
izi gahunda tubamo z'ubutasi nizijya zirangira. Wakabaye ubizi.
And we are FSB, not KGB.
Ubu twagarutse nka FSB ntabwo tukiri KGB. Ikigo cy'ubutasi cyahoze cyitwa KGB cy'abarusiya ubu cyitwa FSB.
What is the difference?
Itandukaniro ni iriheze.
2 letters.
Ni inyuguti ebyiri. FS ntabwo ziri muri KGB. Habamo BB ubwo kuri byombi. Biratandukanye, bitandukaniye ku nyuguti ebyiri.
They require
Urebe
assistance.
twari dukeneye umusada wawe. Hari utuntu yamweretse hano.
Men,
Dukeneye abasore.
Weapon.
Intwaro, imodoka byose turabishaka.
May I ask?
Nakubaza ubikeneye ryari?
Today.
Uyu munsi.
This is extremely short.
Ko nawe waba unyihutishije uyu munsi urumva bishoboka urantunguye. Ikigabo kimureba urujisho. Padiri arikanga bano.
We will manage.
Ariko umuntu yagerageza da.
There is a
Hari
bed on the street.
hari kantini iri hara hanze.
There in 15 minutes.
Tuhahurire mu minota 15.
In with a man named Yuri.
Urahasanga umugabo witwa Yuri. Ngaho mu mugisha rero.
so we look like good people.
Kugira ngo abaturage babone ko turi abantu beza batadukeka bagire ngo uri padiri muzima. Guhaye umugisha Imana iguha umugisha baba padiri mubona boherezwa mu bihugu hirya no hino babari ba maneko. Yey. Yeah. Tugaruke Washington DC. Harabariyo. Muzunzu ubumwe.
So what do you know about the internship?
Iriya porogaramu bita internship yiziki. Ntabwo ari byinshi.
It was an agency program that went off the rails.
Cyonse cyo ni porogaramu yatangiye nyuma y'igiza kwanga barayifunga.
It did.
Yego.
So,
None se
this young girl,
uyu mwana w'umukobwa ukiri muto.
Daughter.
Umukobwa wanjye.
sorry.
Mbabarira umukobwa wawe.
So, your daughter, is somehow
Umukobwa wawe se nawe yaba ari muri iyo porogaramu.
And I have no idea
Yego ariko nanjye sinari mbizi.
where she was until 24 hours.
Maze amasaha 24 menye umukobwa wanjye ari sinari nzo yagiye.
When I had my kid.
Nungwita uno mwana nanjye nari umwana muto.
Disowned.
Ababyeyi banjye banyirukanye mu rugo ngo ndatwite.
I didn't know what to do.
Sinari nzi cyo gukoresha umwana nabyaye.
And joined the
Namutanze muri oruferina nigira mu gisirikare.
and then I ended
Ndangije igisirikare njya kwiga. Maze kwiga njya muri CIA.
like you.
Kimwe nawe niho twahuriye mu gisirikare.
I'm guessing
Ndakeka
daughter ended up in the intern.
agakobwa ka rero bivuze ngo waragatanze ngo bakadobote birangira kisanze muri gahunda ya gahunda nyine yo gurukirita abana batonye CIA.
Cruel, it would seem.
Ewa nibihe nibibi pe.
And now the CIA wants
None ubu CIA
For life.
umwana wanjye mushaka ari muzima cyari umupfu.
want her.
Abarusiya bo barashaka umwana wanjye ari umupfu.
I really need you to help me.
Ndagira ngo mfashe mbona umukobwa wanjye. Mbere yuko ibintu biba bibi.
With the Russians.
Kuki Uburusiya bifuza ko umukobwa wawe apfa?
It makes sense. Think about it. I mean,
Birasobanutse.
the Russians tried to start up their own.
Abarusiya nabo bagerageje gutangira porogaramu yabo yo gutoza abana.
Now they're worried that
Iranga.
they're gonna reboot ours.
Yanze rero bari gutekereza ko twebwe dushobora kuba tugiye kuyikomeza yacu dukoresheje aba bana.
All right.
impamvu bifuza kubica.
If the Russians are gonna come here,
nimba bose bagiye kuza hano
After.
bakiruka inyuma y'umukobwa we bakamuhiga,
they're gonna send somebody that's good.
hari umuntu nzi bashobora kohereza w'umuhanga. Ninde?
It's an old friend of mine.
Umuntu abarusiya bashobora kohereza muri Amerika n'inshuti yanjye ya kera.
He's good at his job.
Ni umuhanga mu kazi ke.
We have had a
Je
discussion.
niyo nshuti y'umurusiya rero dufite ibintu tutumvikanyeho. Ni ibiki mutumvikanyeho bisobanure?
So the last time that I saw him,
Ni ibintu tutumvikanyeho ku buryo ubwo duherukana
kill me.
yari ari kugerageza kunyica, nubwo ari kumwita inshuti ya kera, urumva ko ahubwo ari abanzi ba kera b'umurusiya bahari banganye. Aho ni sawa, niwe muntu bashobora kohereza wenyine. Tugaruka yitwa Little Odessa muri Brooklyn. Hari cafe ihari, cafe Alexei, kantine. Wa murusiya yamaze kuhagera, ari muri Amerika tayari, yicara hano. Rebe, padiri ava yari kumwe na Yantare, zanye na Yantare padiri. Padiri aheruka gukorana n'abarusiya kera, ikigo cyabo cy'ubutasi cyitwa KGB.
Yuri was wondering if you...
Yuri yibazaga nimba utagenda ukazagaruka ejo kuko uri kunyihutisha unshyiraho puresha. Yaraseka padiri sasa nagashaka kubafasha, ahubwo yahise azana bounce.
You better go.
Valu ugende.
He's very busy.
Uyu munsi padiri arahuze. Jejeje! Mutwara w'umena wa Yantare umugabo si ubutumbi. Padiri ahitacho.
I'll see you now.
Tuzabonana uyu munsi. Wimu muhagurutse. Muteke ndihagurutse.
Moment.
Maya kanya.
Yes.
Yego.
Is a young CIA
Uwo muhanganye ni umunyesaye bita analyst w'umukobwa witwa Janice.
former CIA operative.
Uwo muhanganye rero bari bagutumye aba CIA ngo aguhige, yagiye gusaba ubufasha wa CIA operative
Nelson Bates.
witwa Nelson Bates.
She was once his lover.
Bahuze bakundana kera.
We have
Ndamuzi,
history.
dufitanye amateka.
Do you let him
Ndabizi muraziranye. Waramuretse abaho
Not die easily.
kubera ko adapfa byoroshye.
easily?
Buri muntu apfa byoroshye,
Try hard enough.
ahubwo nuko utagerageje cyane ngo ushyiremo imbaraga.
Right motivation.
Ukeneye rero motivasiyo ifatika.
For the intern.
Ngiye ukoherereza aderese z'aho wasanga abo ngaba abo bana.
And I am the only one who needs.
Ayo makuru yakuye yaho abana bari, ni njye jyenyine ukwiye kumenya aho ayo makuru yavuye.
Get on with your work.
We kora akazi turakurangira abana bari ujye kubica. Rebe, bamuhaye location y'aho abana bari ngo ajye kubica. Abana bari muri cabin iri ahantu mu ishyamba, ari bwa buzuba mu ishyamba muri New York. Rebe, barakwereka kuri no muri upstate New York. Bana baraparitse bavayo, buri umwe yaje ku kabanyuro ke. Urebe hano ari gukina n'ibyuma, yari gukina n'ibinini.
Salutations.
Ndabaramukije,
And salutation.
uraturamukije.
What's web, idiot?
And you would know that, right? Because you're what?
Ufite imyaka ingahe?
I don't know, I think it was...
Ufite 11.
I like Charlotte's Web.
I'm sorry. I didn't know this was going to be the children's hour.
Ntabwo rebizi ko yari amasaha y'abana.
If you get shot
Ufite imyaka 18.
or in any way mutilated or spindled, I'm gonna be the best friend you have.
Nugera ahantu kurasa bikakunanira ninjye uzagutabara kuko nkoresha ibyuma.
Hi, guys.
Bite basoro ya Jeanne.
Thank you for being here, really.
Mwakoze kwa muri
I
hano.
already met her. Pop Carrie, meet everyone.
Apothecary ntabwo mwahuye nawe n'uriya.
So this is Rubicon.
Uyu ni Rubicon.
Dagger.
Uramwita Daga. Bonsoir.
Bring a knife to a gun.
Iyo tugenda n'ibyuma abantu muri iyi minsi barwanisha imbunda.
Time a knife as an advantage.
Hari igihe ibyuma bikora kurusha imbunda, wa mukinga ahita abanza kimukubita hagati y'amaguru icyuma, arebe neza ukuntu cyihuta.
Would you like to see that again?
Nongere mwere ukuntu icyuma gikoramo.
Nah.
Oya buretse.
Good.
Meze neza kabisa winyereka.
This is Analyst.
Uyu ni analyst.
To meet you all.
Byiza guhura namwe.
And I'm Renee.
Jye banyita Rene.
Big guy.
Uriya ni ndese.
I'm Caliber,
Banyita Kaliba.
kid.
Wakana we wagapeti we.
No one here was ever a kid.
Nta muntu muri twe wigeze abaho umwana.
They took away our childhood.
Ubuto bwacu barabutwibye.
Remember what they put us all through?
Muribuka ibyo batunyujijemo. Babareze n'aba bana babarebeshaga hasi amaguru ari hejuru, bakakubwira ngo mara amasaha 5 amaguru ari hejuru umutwe uri hasi. nta buto bazi barabubibye CIA yarabafashe ibarera ari bakira abana bagira imashini zica
Fight trained us to kill.
badutoje kurwana hagati yacu badutoza kwica
So, you know, we can choose to hide and
twahisemo kwihisha
we're something that we're not, or we can
uko mwari mwarabikoze mukajya kwihisha mu kazi katari akanyu twabikomeza
what we're capable of.
cyangwa se tukereka isi icyo dushoboye
You guys are like the closest to a family.
murabizi mwese ni mwe famiye ya hafi nzi twareranywe nta bandi nzi
Hiding.
ndambiwe kwihisha
What about you?
mwebwe
You've really been practicing that speech, haven't you?
ariko umaze iminsi witoza kuzatubwira rino jambo yego uvuze ijambo ryiza kandi imashini zica ntabwo zivuga ijambo ryiza ubwo amaze iminsi ari ryitoza ukuntu azababwira urebe aho bari mu ishyamba wibuke hamenyekanye yaraje ategura hano akantu k'agacyayi mwakira icyayi
My own blend, everyone. Enjoy.
It's delicious.
enjoy
Thank you.
Yeah.
baje kunywa mu baganire
Nice slippers, man.
mwana wambaye silipa nziza
They're comfy.
mwana ariko ziri comfy
Anyone?
ariko ubundi we hari umuntu ukunda oya
You guys kind of know a little bit about me. From
mwese musa nkaho munsi narabandikiye
why don't we just take this time to go around the room?
kuki tutafata umwanya ngo twibwirane ibyo umuntu yabagamo
Just keep it to the.
buri umwe akanavuga ibyo ashoboye
Okay, yeah, I'll go first. My name's
reka nihereho
codename Apothecary.
banyita Julie codename
Mostly in New York. I think I'm Jewish.
nkeka ko ndi umuyahudi
Old I was when I first entered the internship.
ninjiye muri gahunda ya stage
I was working with these
maze kwanga njya gukora muri ambasade y'abanyayisiraheli fotora
behalf. I took out a number of highlights
baza kuntuma ku banzi b'igihugu cya isiraheli
that I put in there.
ndangije njya kubiba amadosiye abo n'ibyo amadosiye nabahaye icyayi bamaze kukinywa bose barapfa kandi niwe umaze kubaseriva icyayi ubu twe iki turi kunywa kiratekanye urugero abantu mu byayi
Relax. It wasn't these herbs.
oya imiti nakoresheje ndoga abandi bantu ntago ariyo irimo hano bahise batereka amatasi hasi
Miss Chloe, but
izina ni Chloe
Sure.
banyita daga
I think I'm French.
nkeka ko ndi umufaransa
No, for sure.
ariko simbizi neza
Sound like it.
nuko numva mvuga nk'abafaransa
My early years in the internship,
namaze imyaka muri internship
working
irangiye isanga mu Faransa
until I was ordered to kill him.
banyohereza kujya gukora muri cabinet y'abafaransa baza kumbwira ngo nakoreraga mwice
Voilà. C'est moi.
c'est moi uwo ni we nge
At the time, I was known as Elliot.
ngiye kera banyitaga Elliot
Gone for a long while now.
ariko batangira kujya banyita codename ya Rubicon
My story's not particularly romantic.
inkuru yanjye ntabwo ari urukundo nta nubwo ishishikaje
Finished most of my trip.
narangije imyitozo yanjye banyohereza mu Butaliyani
After that, I was working with
nyuma
a
y'akazi banyohereza gukorera umukire cyane mu Bwongereza
Hell of a lot.
uwo mukire anyigisha byinshi amfata nk'umwana we
wasn't until he
uwo mukire
committed suicide.
aza kwiyahura
Apparently.
nyine niko bigaragara
Let's just say I didn't kill him.
nyine kugira bitumvikana ko namwishe kandi yaramfataga nk'umwana we yarantoje buri kimwe byagaragaye ko yiyahuye ubwo cyaramwishe abana babatoje no kwica umuntu wakwitaye akagufata nk'umwana
Story.
w'inkuru yawe imeze ite twebwe rero
I'm Caliber.
je ndi Caliber
I'm just good at hurting people.
je ndi umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu
That's all.
ni ibyo gusa mukwiye kumenyaho turashize usuri warakaye makuru bakwiye kumumenyaho nuko ari umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu
Last but not least, our fluffy-toed friend here.
reka tubaze inshuti yacu hano nayo twibwire
I've got the basic intern skills.
je mfite ubumenyi bukenya
Vision, acute
gukoresha night vision
hearing,
kumva ibintu abandi batumva gukoresha iby'itumanaho
money.
ndi n'umuhanga mu by'amafaranga
Understanding how it works.
ndi umuhanga mu gutuma abantu basobanukirwa uburyo amafaranga akoramo buriya hari igihe abantu bazi ngo bazi uburyo amafaranga akoramo ariko batabizi
And they put me with a Russian attaché working
bankoresheje gukora n'abarusiya
The gamble.
muri Philadelphia bakunda gukina urusimbi
stock market.
nkagerageza kugusha isoko ry'imigabane ryabo
This is where they place me.
aho nibo banyohereje gukora
My handler said I look Russian.
umu agent wamfashaga wa CIA na reportingaga handler wanjye yambwiye ko nsanga abarusiya niyo mpamvu banyohereje mu barusiya yeah. kumbe barakwereka ya kafe Nelson nawe yahise yizaho yahoze akorera CIA sheri we wa kera yamusabye ubufasha ati mfasha mbona umukobwa wanjye w'umustajeri asaza muri ya kafe
Hey, big man.
Big man
Hey, man.
uzane meni ndebe sha icyo narya yinjiye mu barusiya ni umunyamerika bafite ukuntu bano bantu babironda iyo bageze mu bihugu bafite amaresitora yabo yageramo ukabona kugeze mu bashinwa gusa mu barusiya musore
I'm sitting in the wrong place.
nicaye ahantu hatariho
Kitchen is closed.
igikoni cyafunze Uncle Austin
kind of looks open.
genda mbona igikoni kigifunguye.
It's close to you.
Banyita Austin, igikoni kirafunze.
That sucks.
Birababaje.
You know what? Fuck that.
Urabizi murakijyaho.
I'm actually here to see
Je kureba witwa Vlad.
There is no blood here.
Nta Vlad tugira hano. Areba
A
Barusiya.
place like this,
Ahantu nk'aha
there's always a Vlad.
haba hari Vlad uko byamera kose.
Talking about.
Uwo mvuga kandi uramuzi.
Where Vader came from.
Subiraho uturutse. Batarayivuna niva bifunira rimwe. Ngambwira.
Call me, right? When you can talk again.
Mukira.
I guarantee you he's gonna want to talk to me.
Gire Vlad aze kumiga tuvugane. Yamukubise ingoto niva bivunira rimwe. CIA batoza ahantu amaje yabayakubita umuntu naka kurateho ngarabyibushye.
Sit down.
Mukomeze murye cyanamwe mbaho ibyanyu. Barusiya bikangamo umuntu ufatikije nk'iki akagikubita ahantu rimwe. Kumbe Vlad yarungurukaga. Na cyacicanye cyarebaga cyavuye mu Burusiya. Yako nta nubwo ari umwicanyi n'umukozi wa FSB n'ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. Iyo gufasha arakwica.
Cab's taken.
We imodoka nayifashe uwo mwinjiranye. Baramufungirana.
I have a message for you.
Ufitiye ubutumwa.
What's the message?
We butumwa.
It is a good night for you to cuddle.
Iri ni ijoro ryiza ryo gucaho.
Fireplace.
Ugashaka ahantu ujya kwishyuhiriza harakonje.
Perhaps you should make pretend. Turn on the stove.
Cyangwa ukajya mu rugo ugacana ishyiga ryawe.
Go home.
Jya mu rugo ntuzagaruke hano. Harakonje. Gukora baramufu. Urebe. Urusiya bari baje kumukanga. Kubitiye umurusiya aramwica. Baje kumukanga ngo yongeye kubagendaho. Mufunagura. Mufunagura. Mwica mukanyaga ko guhumbya. Mufunagura kurame nyayamaramo. Nelson kingura umuryango. Kingura umuryango. Amurusiya unera ubwoba. Umuntu wa CIA nawe n'umwicanyi yaramaze igihe yicururiza baga.
Thank you.
Murakoze itaza kwicara ku mwanya wa shoferi yitware. Bebe barabibonye. Telefone.
Yes.
Yego.
Looks like Miss Dalton has brought Nelson James in.
Bisa nka wa mugore Dalton twahaye akazi yagiye kurokerita Nelson ngo amufashe mu kazi.
Do you have a problem with that?
Hari ikibazo amufashije se?
Well, there are those who
Uriya
might
muginga yarankubise. Nta kibazo barike.
play nice.
Wegira umwana mwiza.
Start here.
Turi ku ruhande rumwe nabo badukorere. Nabibonye uyu n'umwe yakubise ajya kuva mu kazi Nelson bakamwirukana muri CIA. Garije. Abana baje guhisha ikimodoka cyabo. Ibintu baza bagashyiraho by'ibiti ku buryo wagira ngo iyi si imodoka ni ishyamba. Hey, bana bagiye kwisha mu mashyamba arabizi ko umurusiya ari kubahiga ngo abice. CIA nayo irabahiga ngo ibakoreshe cyane itabakoresha basi bice. Kimwe muri ibyo. Uyu mukobwa nk'umuntu uri kwita ku bandi bana yaraje atangira gutega za kamera hano. Ku buryo yagize ubinjirana mu mashyamba bamubona mbere atarabageraho.
Morning.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bite. Karakeye.
How did you sleep?
Like I was drugged.
Wasinzira ute nk'uwarozwe.
No.
Icyayi waduhaye cyadusinzirije cyane.
Last night?
Nanjye nuko. Nasinziriye nk'akabebe.
Thought everybody.
Ntabwo turi abanyamirwe kuba tubyutse.
It was valerian root, guys.
Nabahaye Valerian root.
It's totally natural and harmless.
Ni imiti itagira icyo itwara ubuzima ahubwo ituma abantu basinzira cyane.
Hypnotic. No?
Nabahaye icyayi kirimo imiti ituma musinzira mwari mukeneye kuruhuka.
From the FSB.
Abarozi ngo basinzire neza. Dore amakuru nakuye mu biro by'ubutasi by'Abarusiya.
Couldn't believe what I went through to get it.
Uzi ibyo nanyuzemo kugira ngo muri iyi gipapuro.
Friends.
Abandi bastajeri bagenzi bacu bari rero bivuze ngo ni benshi nagaraba gusa.
So you guys are the only ones who showed up, so
Nahamagaye bose narabandikiye nimwe mwaje gusa. Bishobora ko ari twebwe dusigaye abandi bapfuye.
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
What the hell is that?
Ibi bisobanuye iki? Herezo uyu.
Of this.
Ibi ni ibiki?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Ibyo dushaka gusobanukirwa. Rebe, ubona hano hariho imibare.
What?
Iki?
Number at the bottom.
Iyi mibare iri hasi.
270.
327 00956.
Be a routing number for a bank.
Ishobora kuba ari nimero za banki.
And how do you know?
ukaba ubizi ute
Like I said,
uko nababwiye
with money.
ndi umuhanga ku mafaranga
Plus, I know 7 different ways to kill with my thumb.
ikindi nzi n'uburyo bwo kwica abantu nkoresheje ibikumwe byanjye
Some sort of slush fund or something?
rebe
Maybe it's not that much money.
ndabona ariko watera amafaranga menshi
Is that not a lot of money?
Yeah, man, that's more than $1 million.
uyu n'amafaranga arenga miliyoni y'idolari
277,000.
yego ni miliyoni imwe n'ibihumbi 270 na
Exactly.
But he's right, though.
aravuga ukuri
It's actually
ayo
not
ntabwo ari amafaranga menshi
if you're the
cyane cyane ku bantu bakorana na CIA
to unlimited funds.
Exactly.
Can you check the routing number, please?
izi kode muturebere ni izihe banki ni imibare 2270095 batangira gukandakana kariya
It's for United First Bank.
United First Bank muri New York
New York?
yo
That's where we're going.
aho niho tugiye muri New York kuri iyo banki kumva ishyamba barimo abicanyi baje wibuka abarusiya bari bazi bano bana aho bari rebe kamera zirababona
You think they are?
They don't look friendly.
bari abantu ntabwo basa nk'inshuti zacu abantu baza kudusura bafite imbunda mwambara inkweto dore ibikweto yambaye Yesu aterekamo urebe berekere abanzi baje bimeze biti
Of course it is. The bigger the gun, the smaller the... Hey, come on. Think the
iyo
big...
umuntu afite imbunda nini bisobanuye ko aba afite ahita amucecekesha icyo yari agiye gukomeza avuga ariko muri kucyumva cyangwa batarajya kure telefone Nelson baraziranye inshuti yanjye ya kera Vlad
So, we're friends now.
bivuze ngo ubu turi inshuti
The last time I saw you, you had a knife in my throat.
ubukomere bwawe kubona wari wamfatiye icyuma ku ngoto ushaka kunyica
To kill me.
nawe ariko washaka kunyica
I no take
rero
for
ntabwo mbifata nk'aho ari urwango rwihariye
You're out.
nari ko wavuye mu kazi
You're never really out.
kano kazi kacu nta muntu ujya ukavamo
Gonna do them a favor?
hari umuntu waje kunsaba faveri rero naje kumufasha
to mention favor.
biratangaje ukuntu uvuga ngo faveri
I did you a favor.
nanjye nakugiriye faveri
I let you live.
ndakubabarira sinakwica
You let me live.
warandetse mbaho
Remember it differently.
genda byibuka bitandukanye
Put it however you want.
byagenze bite
No more favor.
ntakongera kukugirira faveri
I have my order.
nahawe itegeko ryo kukwica
To do.
ukora icyo ufite gukora nshuti yanjye nibahura n'ukwicana bose ni abahanga mu byo bakora kandi abicanyi ba nyabo nimba arabonye kumba yise amenya aho bari cyagiye ubwo yakubitaga yanare muri resitora
Tell Vlad to call me.
bwire Vlad amamagare yamushyizeho agakurura amerekezo arabahamagaye agira ngo amenye amerekezo barimo uyu nguyu uri hano yantare yambaye akantu ka GPS kagaragaza aho bari aho uri kubakurikira umukino uratangiye yabaziye
Split up
tugiye gutandukana
from both sides.
twataka impande zombi tugire bataragira abarusiya barinjira ishyamba imbunda barazifite Kalashnikov
If any of us get separated, that's where we're meeting up. They're coming at us from the east and the west.
batwatatse baturutse uburasirazuba n'uburengerazuba
This right here, this paint,
twebwe hano hari irangi rero
follow, so you're gonna take the lead.
niho tugiye guca
Hey,
What?
iki
how come he gets to take the lead?
kuki uri ari uyoboye
Me in the back to take up the rear.
mwemba akeneye inyuma kugira ngo mubarindire
Heavy.
ibintu bigiye kuba binini cyane
Very.
kandi sinabikora njyenyine
Sometimes bigger is better.
we rimwe na rimwe imbunda nini birenze wa muginga we bano barapingana batangiye no guterana ibyuma kuva nijoro urebe
We head out to the snow.
urabizi twerekere hariya hari urubura barakomeza yeah. urebe katurori yeah. kumbi tarajya kure
Get ready.
mwitegure mwitegure 12 o'clock
Got it.
ndababona urebe gake gake gake. Yeah. Yeah. Hey! Sasu! Shiramo.
What's that?
Wonindi.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
Come
Ngwino.
Okay, let's get this van cleared.
Reka ino modoka tuyikure hano. Modoka tuyikure hano. Modoka rubanza bayikure ibyo bayikuraho. Bagabo bashe. Fire! Mujisho. Yarabumva yazanye sniper. Iduri mbunda ku mutwe. Fire! Bana nibahusha. Bana bato batojwe na bashiramo. Jirano pakira ibintu byabo gake gake bihuse cyane. We bicanyi baje masasu baramurasa mutwe barawumena. Tugende yeah. Shomeka mu modoka abicanyi baje yeah. Sniper gutabara bano bana niyo misi yariho yeah. Cyo ni iki
Pressure on my big boy.
kugira ngo amaraso adakomeza kumeneka.
Funny thing.
Yasekeje bano baza kwihisha ari sniper. Sasu
Tuchoni papa minya.
Vuga ikirusiya cyuma ya munini wibuke yatubwiye ngo bamutoje kumva ibintu abandi batumva. Impamvu bonyiyumvisha isasu riri kuza kari kwepa. Abana na amamashini kari abana ibi filime batse imodoka berekere. Duyi bamusize ari imirambo gusa. Abanyamerika bamenye gutoturi. Sasu yahindukiye abona yantari hari akantu yambaye ku ikote. Ariko yana ubona ikigoryi bagiteze ka GPS. Wa kiguryo yantari. Mutwe ndawumenye. Twe yarawumenye. You know itachaho.
You couldn't leave well enough alone. Could you, Nelson?
Nelson ntago ari kugenda wenyine kweri. Utanegeye abana. Rebe. Nelson azano abika ibyo abika. Bano no baza guhishimira ambo yabo. Nyiri umupfungo ni ufata hanuka. CIA yahageze. Yasanze imirambo y'abarusiya. Rebe. Yeah.
Give me an update.
Mama
The whole place is a mess.
hano hose hari ibibazo gusa n'umwanda.
Russians got to the interns before we did.
Abarusiya bageze ku bastajeri mbere ko tubageraho.
Back channel chatter also confirms that. Supposedly codename Phantom.
Bisa nkaho Phantom ari wabikoze.
Just don't know they're compromised.
Na Catalyst bari kumwe.
To right into a shit show. Listen, you find Catalyst,
Shaka Catalyst,
find the interns,
ushaka abastajeri,
and the mole.
ushake n'umugambanyi watugambaniye akabwira abarusiya abana bari. Uvuze ngo ari umugambanyi ushobora kubabwira abarusiya abana bari. Niyo mpamvu mu Rusiya byamworoheye kumenya abastajeri bari. Abana bari kubita abastajeri barizwe na porogaramu yitwaga stage. Hey.
The only thing I've got
There is an address on the dark web. All the
Icyo namukuyeho na aderese za ya dark web bandikiranyeho. Ugiye kuzikoherereza. Yego. Kwereka imodoka ya Jean. Yeah. Imodoka y'abana baje guparika hano. Dore ukuntu bahagarara ariko barinze. Wagira ngo barinze ikigo cya gisirikare. Nta guhagarara nk'abasivili. Bana bato cyane. Harimo n'uw'ibiryo byaje kurusha ubwenge.
Just enough demo to take the edge off.
Bebe. Kubita ikindi gishinge. Gira bameze neza.
Papa, I love you.
Ndagukunda.
That would happen.
Nakubwiye kuzankunda rega.
What is it?
Nibiki?
friend.
Inshuti iratwandikiye.
That's what they're calling themselves.
Niko batangiye kwita ngo ni inshuti.
Any idea who it could be?
Uwo ninde wabutwandikiye ngo ni inshuti?
That's someone on the ridge backing us up.
Umuntu ushobora kumenya iyi email yacu atwandikiro biratangaje.
What I think.
Sinzi icyo nekereza.
Let's find out.
Reka tumenye nindi. Ahita muhamagara.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
Urinde.
I'm an ally.
Duwo dufatanije.
How can we trust you?
Twakwizera gute?
Do you really have any other options?
Harandi mahitamo se ufite? bahise bahura muri iryo joro bashinze ibirindiro dore ukuntu bahagarara umwe muri metero 10 undi mu zindi veni undi muri 50 dore uburyo barebamo nta mamashini yica n'abana yese aza kubareba Nelson yamaze kwipanga akazi buri abantu barenga 5 iyo bateranye umuyobozi abagomba kuba barimo baba baramutoye cyangwa bataramutoye yese aza kureba umuyobozi wabo ko bigenda.
Hi. What's your game?
Mikino yawe ni iyihe?
My name is Nelson Beatty.
Banyita Nelson Beatty. Ruwa CIA?
No, not anymore.
Ntago nkiyirimo.
Unceremoniously retired several...
Navuye muri CIA imyaka myinshi ishize.
Why?
Kubera iki?
I knocked out my boss.
Nakubise ingumi boss wanjye.
Trust me, he deserved it.
Gusa yarabikwiriye.
Great, well, 1 point for you.
Icyo ni igitego kimwe utsinze.
But I just don't get why.
Ariko sinumva impamvu.
Why did they send you?
Nimba barakwirukanye muri CIA kuki bakohereje kuri twe?
They didn't send me.
Ntago CIA yari inyohereje.
Your mother did.
Mama wawe ni unyohereje. Uyaraseka mama. Ngira mama se nawe ngira.
We cloned in a lab.
Nese wakorewe muri laboratoire niho bakuremeye nta nyo kugira.
Being has a mother.
Kiremwa muntu kiba cyarabyawe n'umugore.
But whoever my mother was, I never met her. It was raised.
Mama wanjye wese simuzi narezwe na stage.
I was briefed.
Barabimbwiye nabyo.
Your mother was 17 when she got pregnant.
Yoko yarafite imyaka 17 ubwo yakubyaraga. Abasaza bageze muri imyaka niko bavuga ntago yakubwira ngo mama wawe nakantu kagafaransa akubwira mu kinyarwanda. Yoko ubwo yarafite imyaka 17 yarakubyaye yaragutwite.
Family kicked her out.
Famiye yiramwirukana mu rugo.
No home.
Nta rugo yarafite, no mafaranga yarafite yo kukurera.
She was desperate.
Atumutwe.
Maybe for adoption.
Agutanga muri oruferina.
She joined the military.
Arangije yigira mu gisirikare.
She was guaranteed somewhere to sleep.
Mu gisirikare bamubwira ko bazamuha icyo kurya aho kuryama.
Discovered she was quite good at it.
Babona n'umuhanga mu bya gisirikare.
To the CIA.
CIA ibonye ari umuhanga yitimutwara.
Now. Her mission.
Mission ya mama wawe.
Is to bring you.
Kukujyana muri CIA niyo bamutumyeho.
Shot to you why?
Mama wanjye kuki yakunyuzeho?
Yeah, okay, the two of you. Got it.
Mise mbyumva nakubwoyeho na mama ha. Nyine tubyumva kuba mama bamutumye akazi akajya kureba undi mugabo badafite icyo bapfana akamutuma mu kazi. Kuki mama ari weho yanyuzeho se ngo uzunshake? Yamubajije icyo kibazo ahita anyuzamo nako ndabyumva ubwo. We na mama harashyaga nicyo nyine bavuze ariko mujye mwumva.
What you should get is the CIA once you bought in.
CIA iragushaka bakuzana uri muzima.
The Russians want to kill you.
Abarusiya bagashaka kwica.
You've just witnessed.
Wanabyiboneye mu kanya bakurasaga.
I put a tracker on one of the...
Wamenye gutaho turi hari umurusiya nari nashizeho tracking device.
Next question. I don't know how they found you.
Ahubwo sinzi abarusiya bo bamenye gutahura.
Bivuze
ngo hari umugambanyi muri twe.
Now the Russian that is hunting you.
Abarusiya umurusiya uri kuguhiga. Yitwa Vlad Korkachev.
He's very good.
Umuhanga.
He would have found you on his own.
Niyo haba nta mugambanyi urimo yamenya aho uri akaguhiga.
All right.
Okay.
So what do you think I should?
None rero nkora iki?
I propose you go meet your mother.
Ndagira ngo uzuge guhura na nyoko.
I'll take you to her.
Ndagushira nyoko. Niko bavuga.
Comfortable. You walk away.
Yumva utabyishimiye wigendere.
All right.
Sawa.
Set it up.
Tegura umuhuro mpure na mama.
Lying to me, you're dead.
Ninsanga umbeshyira umupfu.
Let's try to avoid that, shall we?
Reka tugerageze kwirinda gupfa mwana muto.
Meet your mom.
Tujye guhura na nyoko.
Park your car, we're taking ours.
Pakira imodoka yawe turatwara iyanjye. Kanara.
Ma'am.
Yego mabuja. Musaza ari mu kana buryo kama amategeko. Garuke Albany muri New York niho tukiri. Durukura ibyana bimureba ariko ibi byana biza abantu nishe. Bino byana bishobora kuba ari ibyicanye ariko umusaza nk'uyu usaziye muri CIA aba yarisha abantu.
Show.
Mumwereke. Abanza baramwereka. Baramwereka.
So you're planning to rob?
Muri gupanga kwiba banki.
Not quite.
Oya ntabwo dushaka kwiba banki. Bamwereka ifata wa gisaza we. Mwabyana mwe namwe mbongere kubonishe. Muri umuntu mukuru wese nuzajya ubona umuntu mukuru imyaka 40-50 ujye umenye ko uwo muntu imyaka agezemo ashobora kuba yarahemukiye abantu benshi yarambuye benshi yarishe benshi ntago wageze iyo myaka utarakora icyaha kinini. Kiretse nkatwe tuba twaririnze turi muri 50 tukiri inyangamugayo.
FSB headquarters in Moscow.
Icyo ni igipapuro nakuye ku cyicaro gikuru cya FSB.
Is a routing number.
Iyi ni nimero yo muri First Union Bank.
Coordinates to the New York City branch.
Korodone cyangwa se tuganisha muri New York.
Nicely done.
It was nothing.
Bebe.
That last bit. Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
that?
Cyo ni igiki?
We were hoping that you could tell us that.
Twari tuzi ko ari wowe wabidusobanurira.
No, I can't.
Ntago nshobora.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Uko mukeka ibintu nanjye niko mbiketse.
There you go.
Akira impapuro zari kuwakigabo ntabwo uri kutubeshya dore ukuntu u Rwanda rumureba. Ibyana ni ibigome. Kiba kikurira kivuga ati wakoze ikosa nka kwica koko. Azi ko buri hari abantu babayeho mwe mutajya mumenya. Mwe murabona murahubuka mushaka kwenderanya ku bantu mubagirire nabi. Mubavuge mubahemukire mubambure. Hari abantu babayeho babatega iyo mitego avuga ati yamba bari yakamvuga nabi nkabona ukuntu niyicira umuntu. Bega barwana no kugira ngo hagire umuntu mutsitaraho. Namwe mukagenda mutsitara ku bantu munabiyenzaho. Mbona sha muri indangare. Abantu n'abagomi. Byana bivayo. Yesu ukuntu mba maze igihe nabona umuntu nyiyenzaho ngo nkwereke utuntu nikorera. Byana bivayo. Bo basanze hano. Bararebana.
Hi, Mom.
Bite mama Mary. Barasika. Bose nabicanye na mama n'umwica.
How am I supposed to know you are who you say you are?
Ese ndabwirwa n'iki kuri uvuga kuri we?
You don't?
Ntabwo ari ngombwa ubimenye.
But whether I'm your mom or not, I still got...
Naba ndi mama we naba ntari mama wawe ngomba kukurinda.
Safe.
Kumurinda.
All due respect.
Mu cyubahiro byawe wa mugore we.
Keep the world safe from
Ahubwo turinde isi. Ndagira ngo mva amagambo y'ibi byana. Ngo mwabana mwe ngo ngomba kubarinda. Abana bati uturinda ahubwo urinde isi uyiturinde tutayimara.
You think I don't know that?
Uraceka ibyo ntago mbizi.
All right, so what now?
Sawa dukora iki? Bebe, bakiraho. Hari zahise ziza zihuse cyane. Bana barikanga. Abakozi ba CIA bahise baza.
What's he doing here?
Arakora iki hano?
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi umuhamagaye.
Dick Jones,
Mazina yanjye ni Dick Jones.
the director of...
Deputy Director of Operations wa CIA.
I have orders to bring the...
Amategeko yo kubajyana mwebwe muri assets zacu. Assets niko babita nyine bari CIA ikoresha bita assets.
We're not going anywhere.
Nanu tujya.
People in line, Catalyst. We're here to help you.
Catalyst turano kugufasha. Abantu banjye.
Get this, mister.
Kangubwire mister.
Nobody's people.
Twe nta muntu numwe turuwe. CIA yitwita ngo turi ibikoresho byayo. Twe turigenga.
Really?
Koko.
And what are you?
Muri ibiki se?
We're interns.
Turi abastajeri. Ho! Sasu. Murusiya yahageze. Murusiya yahageze. Masasu atangira. Bana basubirana muri CIA. CIA ntago bashaka kuyikorera. Bimeze bite? Masasu. Cover me. Do. Fire. Ready. Masasu. Rebe filime witonze. Gasobanura films.com. Vigikopo. Che. Baby. Che. Njira mu modoka. Chingana. We niba bacike. Bana bitwatse imodoka. Dick Jones azano. Je. Beke imodoka. Niba ducike. Kurikira abana. Baby. Yeah. Arakurikira. Yeah. Chuga. Baby.
God damn it!
Chegari we. Barasigaye.
What bloody hell was that?
Bira byari ibiki. Akurino. Murusiya bamurashe. Yaramufata.
You die before you touch that.
Nushaka gukora ku mbunda urapfa utarayikoraho. Kuki uri guhiga abana?
Question is,
Kibazo ni
who can you trust?
wakwizera ndi.
Question is,
Kibazo cyanjye ni
how'd you know where we were gonna be?
wamenye gute aho twari tugiye guhurira? Ninde muntu uri kutugambanira akabwira abarusiya aho tugiye guhurira?
Calling this in.
Itamagara. Hamagaye ku cyicaro cya CIA. Hamagara Fandi.
Your deputy director shows up.
Deputy Director wawe aje arasa abana. Ninde watangiye arasa?
First shot came from...
Sniper wari uri hafi yaho turi.
You're working with Dick Jones?
Uwo musniper ari gukorana na Dick Jones.
He's seen...
Ko mbikeka.
as everyone else.
Ariko yadutunguye.
He's trying to kill the interns.
Definitely.
Bivuze ngo arusha kwica abana. Ndajeho muri nona.
Someone set us up.
Hari umuntu waduteza agatego. Yaba ari weho.
Dignify that with an answer, Agent.
Ntago ari njyewe.
I can make this real hard on you, Vlad.
Vlad ngiye kukugora. Subize. Ninde uri kutugambanira?
Americans.
Abanyamerika.
You have no idea what hard is.
Yes, ntago muzi ijambo gukomera uko rimera.
Trained by the legal nicety.
Kubera kugendera mu bintu byo kwigira abana beza n'indangagaciro.
I wouldn't.
Baye ndiwe sinabikora. Basha imbunda umugabo aramumena. Ahita amumena. Ninde uri kugambana? Uri kuvuga aho abana bari. Aho amakuru abarusiya. Abana baje hano. Bebe. Byabacanze.
Let me see your wound.
Kandi bigikomere cyawe.
I'm fine.
Meze neza bamurashe. Okay.
We can't trust anyone.
Ubu nta muntu umwe dufite wo kwizera.
We need to get to the city and we need to get to the bank.
Tujye mu mujyi tujye muri iyo bank.
But there's something we gotta deal with.
Hari ikintu ariko tugomba kubanza twitaho.
What's that?
Cyo ni iki?
Someone here is a mole.
Muri twe harimo umugambanyi. Muri twe harimo umugambanyi.
That sniper shot came from a Russian agent.
Sniper warashe ni umu-agent w'Abarusiya.
Now, he's found us twice.
Inshuro ebyiri zose amenya aho turi.
Sure, maybe the guy's good, but twice?
Ni umuhanga mu kudushaka ariko si inshuro ebyiri gute yamenya aho turi.
He's that good.
Nta muhanga gutyo rata. Yego.
Everyone get out of the van.
Mwese musohoke mu modoka. Muri twe harimo umugambanyi. Kobwa za hano.
Can be any one of you.
Ni umwe muri mwe.
Rubicon, I think it's really convenient your car explodes.
Bose yabasohoye mu modoka. Baketse ko harimo umugambanyi.
Any one of you.
Umugambanyi ashobora kuba ari uwo ari wese muri mwe.
Really convenient your car explodes right.
Gute wasohotse mu modoka ubundi ikabona guturika. Buriya si uko bari bakurabuye. Ari guceka. Tangiye guceka bamenye.
What, you're accusing me?
Mu bibazo byose twanyuranye muri kunkeka.
Tree or something?
Ariko wasaze.
Going out with your tea.
Apothecary.
Blend everyone.
We ugiroga n'abantu mu cyayi.
Calling on me.
Udusinziriza wahamagaye ndi rya joro. Baramubonye ari kuri telefone.
What are you talking about? I didn't call anyone. Dad.
Nta muntu n'umwe nahamagaye. Daga uhora kuri telefone wandika kuba wandikira abandi. Daga ngahora kuri phone yandika. Bayandikirana nandi.
Hi.
Bite.
Who are you texting?
I'm not texting.
Nta muntu banandikira. Mba ndi gukina video game.
In connection.
They put me with a Russian attaché working in Philadelphia who loved to gamble.
Bebe.
Bullshit. It wasn't my choice where they placed
And
me.
Caliber, you seemed real interested in what was in my bag.
Wowe teko uri mu gikapu cyanjye. Mu gikapu cyanjye rigeze gusanga mu washakagamo iki.
I thought it was mine.
Naketse ko ari icyanjye.
If I didn't-
Ibikapu byacu birasa.
Hey, how could you even...
Identical, they're completely...
Ibikapu byanyu birasa.
Give me that.
Bebe batangira gusubiranamo.
I can't even lie.
Turi gusubiranamo. Yeah.
Phone's out.
Muzane telefone zanyu.
Give them.
Muzikuremo imfunguzo muzime. Ubwo ni imfunguzo ni kode.
Now.
Mubikore nona.
You're ridiculous.
Come on, give him here.
Ramuhereza.
What's going on?
Man, how you gonna lock me up with him, man?
Bebe. Fata telefone zaba zirebe marebe bandikirana na bande. Arebe n'indi ugambana muri bo.
Meeting in an Airbnb in upstate.
Dure muri Airbnb.
I'm here.
Tugiye kurara.
These coordinates. Meeting.
Tugiye koreza coordonnées.
Sending.
Tugiye guhura na mama wa Catalyst. Hari uwanditse message.
Rubicon's the mole.
Rubicon n'umugambanyi.
Nope.
Oya.
It's yours.
Iyi telefone ni yawe niwe wanditse woherereza abantu adresse za aho turi bamukura amenyo. Mukura amenyo. Nyamunini.
Shut up.
Uretse.
Where'd you grow up?
Wakuriye.
And remember, I'm the one who's seen your father.
Wibuke ko rerebye amadosiye yawe.
I grew up in Moscow.
Nakuriye Moscow mu Burusiya.
There was a sign took me to Russia.
Njya gukorana n'Umurusiya.
Working for the
Muri
Russians.
Philadelphia.
Not. The guy was a rat.
Uyu niwe maneko.
Find us.
And every
Vlad yamenye aho turi gute.
he said it.
Stop lying!
Iryo zina rya Vlad rimenye muri fuzo urabeshya.
What do the Russians have planned?
Abarusiya bari kudupangira iki?
Maybe it was.
It was you. I knew
Yari
it.
weho.
Traitor.
Uri umugambanyi. Kiriruka. Bahita bamumena. Isa murasa.
Fucking rat.
Ni maneko one.
He was obviously lying.
Yeah, we needed intel from him.
twari kubanza tukamukuramo amakuru yandi ariko mbere yo kumurasa maneke mumufashe ntago mumwica mumukuramo amakuru y'ibindi bamutumye n'ibindi yatanze.
You know what?
Yari umwe muri twe
He's not.
nyine ubu ntago akiri umwe muri twe yapfuye.
Great. Come on, moron.
Yeah.
You're digging the hole.
niwe uri bucukura umwombo tumuhambamo. niwo mwishe.
So, what's next?
Next, we're gonna take a family trip to the bank.
Baby. Baje kureba ya banki. Ibuka hari imibare babonye baravuga ati shora kuba ariyo kuri banki.
This should be it.
Check it out.
Zan.
Excuse me, did this used to be a bank?
Ese kano kabantu kanyu kahoze ari banki. Banki yahoze ikorera hano.
This place has been
Simbizi.
a couple of years.
Maze nk'imyaka 2 dukorera.
So,
Been working here since it started. Think it was a bar before this? Hasn't been a bank for
Zan.
years.
Hano hantu habaga banki kera.
all black coffee.
You mean a short?
I mean a small.
Atuma ko kunywa.
Thank you.
Umukecuru umenyereye karitsiye.
Is Trafalgar 9?
Ijambo Trafalgar 9 risobanuye iki?
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
I don't know, maybe a store on the street.
Shobora kuba ari nk'inimero y'umuhanda iduka.
That I can remember.
Simbyibuka.
Do you mean the old phone exchange?
Ariko nanone kera
What? I don't know what a phone exchange is.
twabikoreshaga nko kugurana telefone.
Once upon a time,
Kera
before area
mbere yuko bashyiraho nimero z'ibice runaka
to represent the first two numbers on
hari
the
imibare bashyiraga iranga ibice by'ahantu.
logo stood for
Trafalgar byabaga bihagarariye TR.
BT was
BT byari 8,
R was
R ubwo yari 7, Trafalgar 9 ubwo
Nine meant-
yaba ari 8, 7, 9.
879.
Icyo byabisobanuye.
That exchange in this neighborhood.
Gusa muri iyi karitsiye ntago iyo mibare yaharangaga.
There was another branch of the bank.
Hari irindi shami ry'iyi banki ryabaga Uptown.
Thank you.
Reka bariho tujya. Hey. Baje Uptown.
Yeah, this is where the other branch of the bank was located.
Hano niho irindi shami ryakoreraga.
Yeah, except it looks like it's been closed.
Urebe.
How many?
Baje Uptown ubwo bari Midtown,
Years.
hari Downtown.
I'm not so sure about that.
Zakorino kureba hano ni banki itagikora.
It's a schematic drawing of
Hano ni igishushanyo cy'inyubako.
where the travel agency was located.
Hano niho iyo travel agency yakorera. Si ibintu byose biri online.
What planet have you been living on?
Cyane.
Okay, so let me guess. There is like a secret basement.
Hano hantu reba nimba hashobora kuba harimo nka basement hasi.
The schematic.
Hano ku gishushanyo ntayiriho.
Thing
Si
is,
igitangaje ni
this building pays a massive.
iyi nyubako nubwo itagikorerwamo ariko buri kwezi yishyura fagitire nyinshi y'amashanyarazi menshi bakoresha. Aha niho twashakaga. Inzu itagikora gute yishyura amashanyarazi menshi buri kwezi ngo nk'ay'uruganda.
Something's not right.
Hari ikintu kitameze sawa.
You guys feel that?
Yeah,
Uri kubyumva?
we're being watched.
Tumeze nk'aho bari kutureba. Bana baratojwe ku buryo babyimvamo iyo hari umuntu uri kubareba babyimvamo ati nyamara bameze nk'aho bari kutureba.
All right, well,
Kumbe hari kamera iri kubakurura.
whatever's in there is probably what we've been looking for, so I don't know about y'all, but I'm going.
Njye sinzi ibyanjye ariko ngiye kwinjiramo.
We're interns.
We turi abastajeri tubyibuke. Fata chance. Ni abastajeri. Kubera abastajeri barabibyimbira kuko umustajeri yabaga yaratojwe. Ni porogaramu babakoreye kubita ngo n'abastajeri ku myaka 3, 5 bari barabatangiye kubigisha kwica. Kuri 2 ugombaga kuba umaze kwica abantu byibura nk'icumi ku myaka 2. Abana babazanye ari iminja baza kubatoza kwica. Urabona ariko bana bazana.
We're still being watched.
Turacyari kurebwa.
Got an idea.
Mfite igitekerezo.
Do it.
Bikore. Bikore. Taza ku mashina kanda kana kariye. Yeah. CIA barayihakinga. Barayihakinze batangira abari abantu batangira kubona ibi.
I don't think I'll ever get bored of doing that.
Urebe.
According to this old architect's drawing, there should be a staircase.
Hano hantu nkurikije igishushanyo bisa nkaho hakagombye kuba hari esikariye. Yeah.
There.
Yo!
Gisiriya. Yo! Rebe.
Suit up.
Gira. Yeah. Rebe. Bana bakuraho imbunda zabo. Bakuraho igikoresho. Binjiye ntabwo bahi tuto bana bashyiramo ibi filime izano rugera rwica harimo inzira imanuka hasi Shiran. Yeah.
Hey.
We. Iba hakurya. Kandano. Shiramo ya mibare. Bari bafite babonye ku rupapuro bagishyiramo imibare hano rafunguka
Really upgrade that security.
bakwiye kuvugurura systeme z'umutekano wabo kuko biroroshye kubinjirira
Here we go.
Yeah. Lift bagiyemo yarabamanuye manura hasi aba baba hakinze bari kubona ikigori cy'ibato hari ahantu hamwe bashobora kuba bagiye byo kureba n'icyo bari gushaka dore aho binjiye
They're not trying to keep anybody out.
Yeah, no. It's designed to keep people in.
bisa nk'abaturutse hanze uyu muryango utababuza kwinjira ahubwo barimo imbere nibo bashaka ko badasohoka uzi n'umuryango uri hanze ushobora gukingura ukinjira bitakugoye ahubwo barimo imbere bisa nkaho badashaka ko basohoka kizimo hano bana b'abajene bakiri bato bagezemo hano babonamo akana nagari kamwe ni twinshi harimo ubwana bwinshi yagasani ubwana buto bwambaye imyeru
Interns.
nabo ni interns nabo naba stajeri we ntabo n'ubwana bari kwigisha kwica bino bigoryi fata abana bato bikabigisha kwica bikabagira imashini zica ku buryo ku myaka ibiri ubwo ntabwo mwakabaye mwajana imiryango ihita iyiboroka hari ikinga abana bakuramo udutambaro muri filime nap time nyotsi tive ni amasaha yo gusinzira amasaha yo kuryama bebe mufunga iminwa yanyu nimuhumeka ibi bintu bahise bakubitamo ibyotsi menya baje mu masaha yo gusinzira we bakubise ibyotsi basanzemo utwana duto turi kwigishwa kwica abantu katurore yeah. Baby. Akunina. Yeah. Wa mwotsi wasinzirizaga icyaje cyaragukuruye kirawukurura. Yeah. Afanda arinjira Dix.
That was
taravuga. Bundi nyuma harutasinziriye. Hariho biriya bintu bidakoraho. Kumbe hano warofashe utuntu. Hano hari wigize umuganga umwe ujye batekera ibyayi bibasinziriza burundu afite n'imiti ikangura abantu. Afite abana n'abatekinisi. Bana barabyuka. Director operations muri CIA.
I didn't know that was part. your training.
ntabwo nzi ko ibintu byo babigutoje kudasinzirizwa n'imiti.
I'm handy one day.
Wayigishaga yambwiye ko bino bintu bishobora kuzamfasha umunsi umwe. Babimutoje afite imyaka 5.
You breathe.
Icyo gihe baramubwira ngo nuhumeka urapfa. Bano bana batubwiye ngo bari ku rwego rwo kuba yamara iminota 10 atarahumeka. Muri bande?
We're CIA.
Turi CIA.
We're not
Kimwe namwe. Ntabwo turi CIA, nawe ntabwo uri CIA.
Company doesn't know what you're doing.
Company nta nubwiza ibyo uri gukora kuri gutoza abana.
No. Not quite.
Yego CIA ntabwo izi ko ntoza utwana duto.
Making this country a safer place.
Ariko igihugu ndashaka kukigira kiza kurushaho.
There's always that one person.
Iteka hari umuntu mu mateka.
These things that others don't.
Ubona ibintu abandi batabona.
A new breed of intern.
Twaremye ubwoko bushya bw'aba intern.
Program. Unlike you lot, this batch is next.
Gusa batandukanye namwe bano bana bo barenze mwe. Bo tubarerera hamwe mwe mu gihe babatoza gumwe ku giti cye.
Of your strengths and none of your.
Intege nke zanyu nazo bafite ariko bafite imbaraga nyinshi zanyu n'umurengera.
But we've taken his idea.
Watangije kino gitekerezo Brian.
And they will protect.
Yari umuhanga. Bano bana turi kubakora kugira ngo bazarinde igihugu. Bahise binjira. N'imbunda zabo. Bibe filime. Bagabo bafata imbunda ku buryo ubona ko ari aba professional. Isigaye n'ukuri kubisasu bagakwica.
No, I'm not just handing over the asset.
Umva nago ngiye nabareka ngo mugende barana abana.
You of all people should know.
Ntagara abana kandi ibyo mwaka bimubizi. Barana aba stagiaire ntagara abana. Warafangiwe. Ntagara abana n'aba stagiaire.
Be smart.
Gira ubwenge. Bagabo duru buryo bafashe imbunda ari kurabona. N'amaboko yombi. Ku buryo ari mu cyico. Rimwe. Mama. Mama yageze. Tega mugenzi we. Bagabo barabangutse. CIA. Fire. Bano bose nirwanye. Batojwe n'ikigo kimwe. Baby. Basubiranyemo. Mugabo itamanuka. Tamanuka. Yaramukurikira. Gace gace ntago ugenda. Filime. Yeah. Man. Fire. Ko na yizanye ariko. Do. Fire. SWAT. Barinjira. Baby. Turi bunda. Nana arabumva. Arababara. Ngiye gushyiraho magazine. Nyuma yabo. Fire. 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 Mama we. Filime ko nayizanye ariko kugasomane films.com. Do. We na mama. Rango ni mama we.
Mom.
Urakoze mama. Wibivuga. Oh. Nago bibafasheho bose.
Where's Dick?
Dick ari hehe? Dick ari hehe?
Where's Nelson?
Nelson ahubwo ari hehe yamukurikiye? Nelson yakurikiye nde? Dick. Uyu mugabo ngo yitwa nde?
Dick. Drop it.
Shira hasi Dick. Shira imbunda hasi. Namwe ni mubyara abana ariko mujye mwita tuno tuzina twiza.
You miss me?
Waronkumbuye.
Well, you just gonna shoot me now?
Ntabwo uri bunda se? Oya, ntabwo nkurasa. Buriya kurasa umuntu abapfuye yihuse. Umuntu ugomba kumukubita igipfunzo ukamukurira iryinyo, ukabiserebura, ukamukuramo ijisho, ukabiserebura. Buriya umurashoma mwihutishirije urupfu. Uyu! Ishaka kumwiba ngo gikureye imbunda. Bamwirukanye muri CIA bamuziza gukubita ikigoryi ngumire ngo kubitire rimwe. Wanyirukanishije mu kazi. Yege. Bose baratojwe. Bose nibamane ku CIA bose indwanyi. Sasibura bigiye hamwe ngo banganye ubwenge. Vugana n'umwana akaba wa mbere ukaba wanyu. Bose naba CIA ariko imikubitire ntago yagira ku rwego rumwe. Bose basobanura filime imwe ariko ntago baba babyumva kimwe cyangwa babivuge kimwe. Kuya amenyo. Baby,
you just love to kill me, wouldn't you?
Uri buryoherwa no kuyica ariko mukurira iryinyo ry'ipfunsi ubona ukabona.
I'd rather you rot in prison.
Genda bona wo kwica wajya gufungwa muri gereza ukagifungwa imyaka yose unekereza. Umuntu nk'uyu bamufunga imyaka myinshi. Yipanga akaza gafata abana bato utwe. Abana batakajya kubagira imashini CIA tamuhaye uburenganzira.
I guess you were right.
Ahari wafuze ukuri.
I did want to kill you.
Nashakaga kukwica nuko narindi kubeshya mvuga ngo bagufunge. akora umuntu aba ashaka kugufunga ariko akavuga ati yarwanyije inzego gato nkakwereka arwanyije inzego ararangiye.
Agent Dalton.
Agent Dalton.
Putting you in charge to clean this mess.
Kwishyira umuyobozi ugomba gukemura bino bibazo.
But our program is kept under our supervision.
Aba bana tujye dora tubacunze.
Where we go from here, right?
Rebe hagiye gukurikira iki?
Want Nelson to work with me.
Ndashaka gukorana na Nelson.
If he wants to.
Nimba ariko abishaka. Hari uwishimira se kujya guteka amandazi ku muhanda yakaba yicaye muri CIA.
I want her by my side every step of the way.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana kugira ngo twite ku bandi bana.
No one will understand them.
Kuko nta wundi muntu wakumva bano bana kumurusha. Umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana.
Yeah.
Cyane.
When I agree to this, I have some demands of my own.
Kandi nanjye mfite ibindi byo kubasaba.
So they're gonna live normal.
Mbere na mbere bano bana bagomba kuba ubuzima busanzwe.
Good parties and
bakajya bagira ibirori bakabiserebura bakagira televiziyo.
No.
Nta kubakubita.
I have no problem with birthday parties or TV. In fact, let them go out on dates.
But we can save this.
Bakajya banasohokana bakajya guteretana.
Fine.
Nta kibazo.
Do we have a deal?
Turumvikanye. Giye gukorana.
Yeah.
Great.
Sawa, bagiye kubaho nk'abandi bantu bose basanzwe.
She reports into you, and you report.
Uyu mukobwa azajya kuri reportinga nawe mbera Paul.
Yes, sir.
Sibyo yego nyakubo.
Done. Okay.
Akazi kaba karangiye kandi CIA ntago ari ngombwa ngo bakuzanira amakontara ubwo akazi kaba karangiye kari. Amafaranga yose baba yabona.
We got a lot of years to make up for.
Ntago byabishora rimwe ariko turacyafite imyaka myinshi yo kugira ngo tugaruze imyaka yose tutabanye.
Give me a chance.
Nta mahirwe nongere nkwiyereke ko naba mama. Sawa gake.
With these kids we do together.
Ibyo tuzajya dukorana nge nawe nabo bazajya baba bahari. Niba bishaka ariko.
I'd like that.
Byaba ari sawa. Mbega babonye mama na papa.
What do we do next?
Tugiye kurikizaho iki rero?
I mean, I'm sure there's a position for.
Cyeka mwese ari umwanya wanyu w'akazi.
After all, we're in.
Ibuke ko twese turabastajeri. Turi famille. Yeah.
Answer. Everybody insert 1-3.
Bose bashyize hano.
No.
Bose ni abastajeri.
Be a cute moment though.
Yeah.
I think we should.
Kano kanya ni keza.
Moment.
Bwarakeye.
You did well, Phantom.
Phantom wakoze neza. Phantom ninde?
I knew we could rely on you.
Nari mbizi ko dukwiye kukwishingikirizaho.
Some things are a long time in the.
Hari ikintu tumaze igihe kinini turi gutegura.
You showed great patience.
Gusa wagaragaje kwihangana.
I tell you that your country.
Reka ngubwire ko igihugu cyawe gitewe ishema nawe. Mama we!
Longer, but we
wa mugore ni umugambanyi. Mama wa mwana.
I just want to say.
Ndashaka kubwira yuko.
I wish you much success.
Ndakwifuriza intsinzi muri uwo mwanya CIA bagushyizemo. Ni kuriya bakora. Bano bagabo niko bakora, bano bitwa ngo ni FSB cyangwa bano barusiya. Bafata umwana bakamushyira muri Amerika agakora ari umunyamerika agakurira muri CIA. Ku buryo nka nyuma y'imyaka 30 bazaza kumubwira ngo tangira ukora inshingano zawe noneho tunekere. Urebe. Mama w'umwana CIA yizeye ngo yite kuri bari abastajeri. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Nyagasani. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Avayo. Kurana n'abarusiya. Yaje hano. Niwe wagambanaga kiriya gihe cyose. N'uyu aracyumva? Bavuga ikirusiya ntago nyumva. Bivuze ngo barakorana. Mama n'umwana ni abarusiya pire. Bikaba gusubiza inyuma imyaka 20 uko byagenze rero.
No, Americansi.
Rebe. Uyu mugore barakwereka. Bamuhaye gahunda imyaka 20 ishize.
Best that you speak English.
Ni byiza ko watangira kuvuga icyongereza.
It's rational that
uzajya uvuga ikirusiya.
We will take care of you.
Tuzakwitaho n'umukobwa utwite.
Roll her in the.
Umwana we navuga uzashaka ukuntu azinjira akajyanwa muri barabastajeri. Umugore yagiye muri Amerika twite abyara umwana nk'uruhinja amwohereza mu bastajeri.
Take her to the.
Uyu mwana mumujyane muri stage muzina wamwizaniye. Uyu mwana baramutegereje. Byose byari imipangu y'abarusiya. Nagakino bakinnye Nyagasani. Umwana akiri uruhinja bamwinjije mu bastajeri.
You will learn to feel no.
Umwana uziga kumva uburibwe.
Tears are for the weak.
amarira n'aya abanyantege nke.
2 more minutes.
usigaranye iminota 2. umwana baramutuje kugira ngo nakura azabe maneko neka abanyamerika nekera baki. mama we yabaga hari hafi aho. umwana wanjye barabanye kuva kera bakavuga ikirusiya. mama yamubaye hafi burya bwose we. uzajya utuma bumva uburibwe ufite. ntukajye ubereka icyo utekereza cyangwa icyo wiyumvamo. ujye wibuka ibyo nakubwiye byose. urakomeye urakomeye nyagasani.
And I promise that I will always find a way to.
kandi teka nzajya nshaka uburyo bwo kugira ngo nkugereho nyagasani. mama.
Well done, daughter.
mwana wanjye umubyeyi yabyaye umwana bamaneko ku myaka 5 kuzamuka ari maneko bamutoza kuba imashini yica. turashize. ibi byose byari akagambane byari byarapanzwe. uyu mwana ni maneko. Urusiya tayari yamaze kugera muri CIA bagiye kukunekera leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika. mama n'umwana. mama Bashke iyo bari kumwe bivugira ikirusiya gusa. bivuze ngo leta zunze ubumwe za Amerika zigushije ishyano kuko mama n'umwana tayari bamaneko babo bamaze kubageramo ndetse bahawe amaposte n'imyanya yo hejuru. tazacikwa n'igice cya 2. CIA izabavumbura. ushaka kureba igice cya 2 kugura abonema ku gasobanuyefilms.com bishyura 7,000 byonyine ku kwezi n'4,000 ku cyumweru. ciao ciao.